Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible health benefits of pomegranates. Did you know that just one bowl of this beautiful fruit could transform your health? From boosting memory to fighting cancer, pomegranates aren't just a snack, they're a superpower. Let's get started. Let's talk about blood pressure for a second. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent killer. Now imagine there was a natural, delicious way to help manage your blood pressure. Enter the pomegranate. Studies have shown that regularly consuming pomegranates can actually help lower systolic blood pressure. Think of it like this. Every time you enjoy this vibrant fruit, you're giving your cardiovascular system a helping hand. So, if you're concerned about your blood pressure or just want to be proactive about your heart health, adding pomegranates to your diet is a no-brainer. It's a simple, enjoyable change that can have a significant impact on your well-being. Let's face it, nobody likes getting sick. And while we can't always prevent illness, we can certainly give our bodies the best fighting chance. That's where pomegranates come in. These ruby red jewels are packed with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. So, the next time you feel a cold coming on, consider reaching for a pomegranate instead of that over-the-counter medication. Regularly consuming pomegranates can actually help strengthen your immune system over time, making you less susceptible to those pesky bugs in the first place. Unlike some medications that come with a long list of side effects, pomegranates are a natural, delicious way to bolster your immune system. So, you can feel good about incorporating them into your diet, knowing you're giving your body the support it needs to stay healthy and strong. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like our brains are constantly working overtime. But what if I told you there was a delicious, natural way to give your brain a boost? You guessed it, pomegranates. Studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice can actually improve both visual and verbal memory. For those recovering from surgery or dealing with memory-related conditions like Alzheimer's, pomegranates could be a game changer. Their potent antioxidants and other beneficial compounds have shown promising results in supporting cognitive function and protecting the brain from damage. So, whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional navigating a demanding career, or simply looking to maintain your mental sharpness as you age, adding pomegranates to your diet can make a world of difference. Calling all fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your workouts and recover faster, listen up. Pomegranates are about to become your new secret weapon. These little powerhouses are packed with nitrates, natural compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to dilate blood vessels, which means more blood flow to your muscles during your workout. More blood flow equals more oxygen and nutrients reaching your muscles, which translates to improved endurance, increased strength, and faster recovery times. Pomegranates are also packed with antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress caused by exercise. This means less muscle soreness, faster recovery, and more time to crush your fitness goals. Let's talk about one of the most devastating diseases out there: cancer. Pomegranates are brimming with powerful antioxidants and polyphenols, compounds that have been shown to fight cancer cells at the source. We're talking about potentially protecting yourself from prostate, lung, and breast cancers, some of the most prevalent and deadly forms of the disease. The research on pomegranates and cancer prevention is incredibly promising, and scientists are constantly uncovering new ways that this fruit can help protect our cells from damage. So, the next time you see a pomegranate, don't just think about its delicious taste. Think about the incredible health benefits it offers and the potential it has to help you live a longer, healthier life. Host smiling while placing a bowl of pomegranate seeds on the table. Host, so there you have it. From better memory and heart health to enhanced exercise performance and cancer prevention, pomegranates are a true powerhouse. Stay healthy, stay vibrant. Scene fades out with upbeat music, on-screen text. Eat well, live well, subscribe for more.